Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, we are going to be unboxing another bag by Louis Vuitton. If you want to see, keep watching. So here we have the bag. And I'm going to set it right here. And here we have the box. We have the receipt, and let's unwrap this. And here we have it. Here's the dust bag. Take it out of the dust bag. And here we have this beauty. Let me get close. So this is in the monogram, as you can see. And it has all natural cowhide trimming. It has the tag. It has the padlock, and it has the keys inside here. Look at that glazing. And it has the little studs on the bottom, so that's perfect to set it, on a table or anywhere where you want to set this. It's gonna stay. And that's like protecting the leather as well, because it has the legs. So let's open this. And this zipper goes all the way down, as you can see. And you have plenty of space actually for this little bag. You have a lot of space. So inside you have your leather strap, and that's it. It has a little compartment right here, and it's brown from the inside, as you can see. It smells like fresh leather. That's how this beauty looks. So this bag, you can carry it like this, just like that on your hand. Or you can put it around your arm, like so. Or you can wear it with the strap and make it a crossbody. That is so beautiful. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. So that's just hanging from my arm. As you can see, it drops right under my hips. I think that's perfect for my size and my frame. This bag looks really nice. And so this is crossbody. It just hangs a little higher, as you can see, but it's still perfect. So that's how it looks. So you can hold it like this too, just like that. You can even leave the strap on because it looks nice. And like this. I decided to show you a comparison between the two. This is the BB Ebene and this is the BB and monogram. So this is how they look side to side. This is how this one looks hanging from my arm normally. This is the other one. That's how they look. I love them both. I got this one first, obviously. I got this one about 3 months ago, and I love this one so much that I decided to get it in the monogram. So yeah, if you want to see a review about this bag, like a really detailed review, let me know down below. If you're thinking about getting one of these bags, I think I would get this one if I would only get one of them. So I would choose this one just because the monogram, you have to be a little more careful with the leather because it is real, like untreated leather. This one is leather too, but it's treated with color, so you're not gonna have any stains or anything like that. So this one, it's more carefree, so that's why I would choose this one. But yeah, so this one is really nice too. I mean, it's really up to you if you really want to choose one. Like I said, that is the only downside to this one, that you have to be careful when you go outside if it's raining and all that, because it will stain it. And obviously the leather will change. Right now it's really light, but it will turn like a honey color, which I love. And so that's that one. And yeah, so if you want to see a review on this one, let me know down below. And yeah, so yeah, let me know which one you like better. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say other than I love this bag. I think it's a great bag, and I will be enjoying it during this winter season. I think this color goes really nice with coats and, you know, just winter in general. The other one too, because it's brown, but I just love the look of this bag, so I'm just happy with it. And overall, I like the size, and I think it goes perfect with my body frame. So yeah, that's it, you guys. If you want to know more, like I said, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like, and everything else. You already know, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Can you mind your business?
What are you recording?
I'm recording a review about this bag. Bye.
Why do you have that lighting? It's so shitty.
Bye, David. I gotta finish this so I can eat.
Yeah, like on top of the pedal. Are you shaving, bro?
Yeah.
Wait, he has a machine?
Yeah.